Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look on the gold market. So you can see the precious metal performs quite well. It's actually faster than we thought, reaching the targets that we have set in the weekend. So the longer term target that we set for this week is 30.40. We talked about this in the weekend. And you can see that today is just Wednesday and the market already has tested it, has touched to complete this target. So a lot of big events already has happened. So we've got retail sales on Tuesday. We've got phone call between the Trump and Putin. Now we're coming to the Fed. But Fed is a bit, specific issue for this week. It's just because nobody expect something really drastic. So hardly rate will be changed. The one thing that could happen is only if Jerome Powell will change the forecasts and valuation of the current situation in the United States economy. So that could make impact. But now chances considered that might be really low that it will happen. So anyway, whatever will happen in the Fed statement, currently I wouldn't do something really big. It's better to sit on the hands, 1-2 sessions, see what will happen, because market hits really big target. Yes, it has some room reserve to the upper bot, which stands around 30.62. But we could consider it only if we wouldn't have here the XOP from this A point, but we have it. And this is only half of the story. On the daily chart, you also see that market has the overbought around 30.56. So it's also some minor room exists, the possible upper direction. But the problem is not with the overbought actually. So this is XOP on the weekly, and you can see on the 4 time frame chart, market has completed both our targets here. So at least minimum reaction on the butterfly suggests 30% retracement, which will be supposedly around 30 even, or even slightly lower. It's 30% respect to this pattern. But even without possible retracement deeper, in this point right now, it would be better to not considering taking new longs, because market definitely will spend a few times maybe in the sideways action without any big reaction, depending on what the sentiment will be. But we would not know for sure right now. We need to give market some time and see what really will happen here. For now, you can see that we have a kind of the engulfing pattern is forming, which suggests at least minor pullback to the downside, but still it will be deeper than it stands right now. On the 30-minute chart, I do not see anything specific. You could see that here is the upper direction was unstoppable, and we haven't got any retracement from the 30.22 area as well. So market just completed this level, shows just minor retracement, and then keep going to the 30.40 area. So now it has been completed. As a result, conclusion is as follows, as I said, just in 2 words. For long positions, it will be better to wait to understand the character of the possible reaction on the targets that have been reached. For the taking the short position, theoretically you could try to do this on the intraday charts using this engulfing pattern as a background with the stops above this area. But as you understand, this kind of stops currently are very fragile and risky, especially on the shorter term charts. Shorter term charts are not less reliable than the longer term. And the second is overall sentiment. The background for the gold stands rather bullish. So due to these couple of moments, the taking of the short position might be really a bit thrilling. So think twice before you will intend to do this, or at least maybe just decrease your trading the size of your trading position. It's maybe also some solution. But overall, in general, context stands great. So gold market shows really great performance. And I think that once this target will be worked out, we will see what to consider next. And hopefully we will get more steps for trading this week and next one.